Okay, will do. Amelia, do you know that one with the red tail?
Look, there's two right there. Is that look? Ready to take off, Alex? Look.
Over there. What? One has to hold position. They're turning. Oh, they're turning from the taxiway. Alright, come on. Come on, don't waste.
I love planes.
I love planes too. Oh God.
Stand in the front of the car. Stand in front of the car.
Come on.
They're just turning.
Oh my God, come on, Ryanair. Go faster.
They can't go faster.
Amazon Prime.
They can't go faster because they have to save their engine flying.
They have to sing.
Why am I cold now?
Don't judge.
Come on, Ryanair! Come on, Ryanair!
Come on, I don't want to wait. I'm shaking my camera.
Come on, Ryanair!
I swear to God, is that a green tail?
Green tail? That's Aer Lingus then. I think.
Yeah, there's lots of green tails in the world, so I'd say it could be something else.
That looks like Ryanair. I mean, not Ryanair, Aer Lingus.
Why would Ryanair be green?
No, Ryanair, Aer Lingus.
Ryanair's blue!
Aer Lingus.
That's Ryanair. That's Aer Lingus! Look
I
at my
told you
camera!
it's Aer Lingus.
Amelia, look at my camera! Do you see the green, kind of, on the tail?
Where is that?
Look at the tail, kind of.
But where is that?
I don't know, but like... Oh God, here,
I see
you see
it,
the
I
green?
see it, I
Yeah,
see it.
that's Aer Lingus. Damn it, we're going for 10 minutes and the Ryanair hasn't even taken off.
Come on, Ryanair.
Ryanair.
Don't scream, don't scream.
Ryanair.
Ryanair.
I swear to God, I see more planes.
What?
I see more planes. But they're in the gate.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6 planes. Oh, 5 or 6.